welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change server on OMI TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about the change of server on OMI TV, a VPN or a virtual private network is one of the most effective ways to change servers on OMI TV. So by using a VPN, you can mask your real IP address and select a new one from your desired location. So why choose a VPN? You can simply choose a VPN to change server on OMI TV as it has enhanced privacies. VPNs encrypt your connections, keeping your data secure as well. So by using a VPN, you can simply change server on your OMI TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.